Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then take the first actionable steps. Sign both players into separate profiles and connect a controller for each. Make sure the game is fully updated so split-screen code matches the server expectations. On consoles, plug controllers before launching. On PC, verify controller support and map inputs. Once done, launch Ark Survival Ascended and select local play. Do not enter online sessions yet. This sequence prevents input conflicts and ensures the split option appears immediately. Once in the local play menu, you choose to host a new session or load an existing save, then proceed to add the second player. The second player presses the designated Join button shown on screen. You confirm their profile and assign a character. Next, open the display and controller settings to select horizontal or vertical split, tweak resolution and HUD scale for readability, and rebind inputs if needed. Make sure to test movement and inventory access for both players before starting gameplay. To finish, save your session and resume play so settings persist. Confirm both players can access their inventories, craft, and control creatures. If one screen stays black or a player won't join, reconnect that controller and have the second player rejoin from the main menu. If needed, restart the game session. For performance drops, reduce render scale, lower shadow or foliage quality, or close background apps to raise FPS. This resolves most split-screen issues quickly, so you can get back to playing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.